Breakfast time. I like to, even though this is a non-stick pan, I like to put a little bit of butter in when I'm making eggs for flavor. And I cook this at a medium heat. So I've got an electric range here, goes from low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and high, and I usually set it right in the middle, right around 4. So that's heating up. Get some stuff ready. This is a pretty common breakfast for me every day. I have kind of a thing about eggs. Scrambled, over easy, hard boiled, deviled. I just like eggs. I'm weird. So that's heating up. I got my toast in the oven, or the toaster, not the oven. Got my toast in the toaster, melting the butter down. And what I found is when I go to restaurants and I order eggs, I always have to say, okay, I want them over medium, but not too done. Or I want them over easy, but I want the yellows runny, and I don't want the whites to be runny. Then they'll say, oh, you mean over medium? Then I say, no, because then you're gonna overcook them. And probably 80% of the time, I don't get them the way I want because I'm super picky on my eggs. It's my lot in life. So I have a lot more success making them here at home. Two perfect breaks. That's the sign that it's going to be a good day. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Put down the toast because now they should be ready about the same time. Two eggs, sir, over medium or over easy with a piece of toast. Some days I will do sausage or bacon with it. Now I have 1 or 2 pieces, but most days I just prefer just a couple of eggs and toast. Super easy to make. If you like them like I do, over easy, you want the yellows to be runny, but you don't want the whites to be runny, and then this is exactly how you do it. So whether you're cooking on a gas range or an electric range, like I have here, you want to keep your heat about medium. Get the plates ready. Oh, they're cooking right up. Look at that, huh? In my non-stick pan that I love. You just have to kind of eyeball them. Some people say, oh, do it for so long, but every range is different. Every pan heats up differently. So I just kind of eyeball it. The tops look kind of firm. They're not super runny on the whites. So it's time for the big flip. You ready? Watch this. Oh, hello. The pan flip was successful. And the crowd goes wild. So the pan flip is in. The oven goes off, so it starts to cool down a little bit. Check the toast. Toast is ready. Look at that. Perfect timing. Some butter. If you're feeling really fancy, cut it diagonally. Look at that. The diagonal toast cut. And the eggs are not jiggly, so they're done. On the loading dock they go. And voila! Perfect, over easy eggs with a piece of toast for breakfast. Yum, yum. Got the coffee brewing, and now I'm gonna dig in. Came out perfect. Whites weren't runny, and the yolks were nice and wet. And coffee's done, it's delicious. Here's the aftermath. They were perfect and delicious every time. Hey, do me a favor. Click on the subscribe button down below and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.